welcome back to the channel. And now, hey, come on, come here. Show me how it's done. You got the wrong hand already. Wrong hand already. Show me how it's done. For the record, she's got to pee bad because we went to eat somewhere. She had like a cup and a half of Dr. Pepper. She's got.
Then it's gotta go. Is that faster? I don't know.
Take one more sip and violent like that. Like, do it. All right, guys. First off, we put up the LOVEBOAT video. Had two Jasons, and I should have wrote that down. 3 people donated money. You don't have to do that. I appreciate it for the LOVEBOAT. So I've got like $60 I got to spend on LOVEBOAT. But we also got, which is hilarious, we've got this super rad coupler, and we got this super rad plenum. This is the exact one that I was going to get for the LOVEBOAT, obviously because it's cheap. Look at that. This stuff came from Jason, and it's pieces and parts of the puzzle. All we got to do is figure out how it all goes together. Now, we're not reinventing the wheel because people have done blow through carb stuff for years and years and years and years and years. And we just happen to be kind of stupid. So it's going to take us a little. What are you doing over there? It's going to take us a little while to figure everything out. But we're off. We're off to a good start. Now what's going to happen is, I said this is going to take a while to get all this done. What's going to happen is I'm going to get like, hey, how about I just get the car running and we'll see how it feels, and then we'll do the rear end, because this will be like the cheapest aspect of it. So, Jason, I appreciate it. I'm trying to make this thing. I don't have a carb stud in it. There we go.
There's a stud in it.
Listen, if you're going to do that, you're just not going to be in the videos anymore. No, because you'll keep doing it, so you don't have to be. All right. It's the people next door.
Like where you're at?
They're just on the other side of those boxes.
So there's not even a wall.
Well, there is a wall of boxes.
Yeah, but they hear you all the time.
I'm sure they do. I hear them too.
Probably why they start playing music.
Maybe they should start watching the channel. But yeah. Thanks, Jason. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next clip. You're terrible. What you gonna do with that little tape measure?
Measure stuff. We
got something in the mail. This is from our guys at Race Parts Solutions, and they have sent me stuff in the past. I don't know what this is. They didn't tell me they were sending me anything. I just got a box in the mail. It had my name on it. Pretty sure it had my name on it. Let's see if it's got my name on it. Yes, 5.50 Tussin. That's me. Holy crap. A bunch of couplers. A bunch of hose clamps, some tubing, more tubing. What is this? Oh man, that feels like a... What is going on? Oh wow. They sent me all the stickers. Percy, Shop Dogs. It's got a little dog on it. I love those dogs too, man. Good Lord, they sent me a t-shirt. And yes, I wear the t-shirt that they sent me a 3X. Come on, guys. I got all the clamps. Some hose, some more piping, some more couplers. Wow, they know what I got, the little stuff. It did not send me a note either. Wow, these are for the drains and stuff. Look at all this. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Dude. Wow, they sent me a ton of fittings and stuff to like do all the drain and stuff. Oops, careful. Holy mackerel. You guys did not have to send me that. Or send me this. Look at all this stuff. You guys are trying to get this deal going before we get this deal going. Look at this. Man, we got some couplers, which is cool. Look how small those turbos are gonna be. Oh my gosh. Dude, we got like the whole thing, kind of. I mean, wow, that puts us a lot closer. Let me see what we got here. It's a banner. Hey, we got like, I don't want to say our first banner, but we got like our first product banner from an actual company. Now it's got to find a place to put it, which I'm sure I can. Man, I don't even want to unwrap it yet and look at it. Dude, you guys are awesome. They've sent me stuff before, couplers and clamps. As a matter of fact, we're using some of it on the silver car, and they sent us a t-shirt before that we wear around. I don't ever wear, I'm actually wearing kind of one of my good t-shirts for this. I normally always have my work clothes on. Man, we got some piping. Man, you guys are killing me here. That's awesome. I appreciate it. Race Parts Solutions, hooking up the little guy once again. Like I say, they didn't even tell me they were sending this or nothing. Box just showed up at the house, so that is awesome. Man, all this stuff right here, this is a little bit of money right here, honestly. And it's the nickel and dime stuff. You guys know building cars. It's the nickel and dime stuff that just eats you alive when you're trying to get a project going. So, man, that is very, very, very nice. I really, really, really appreciate that. I mean, that's amazing. So, no note either. So, Race Parts Solutions, I appreciate you guys hooking me up again. Man, that's awesome. Happy New Year from Giant Suspect. We've ordered a Y, so once it comes in, we're gonna have to do like a S and then something over here and kind of make it all fit. But still gonna be kind of cool. Probably gonna take the carburetor home, and it's a 600 double pumper. But I can do all the blow-through modifications basically to it that I do to whatever car. There's some other stuff. Me and Teresa have been talking about carburetors and, you know, so we'll see. We'll see where we end up at, but anything I buy for this carburetor to make it blow through, just to get it going, you know, I can just take the parts out of it basically, more or less, even though you gotta do a little drilling potentially on the metering blocks, and we'll see. We don't know yet. We haven't made a full decision on that. So anyway, but I do appreciate all the clamps and everything that Race Parts Solutions sent us. It's really awesome to have that support. And like I say, I think we're going to try and get it running before we do all the rear end stuff. You know how that goes. Go out and take it out on the road and see how it does. So anyway, yeah, we'll see you guys next clip. We cleared off a tiny little area. We're gonna pull a carb apart real quick just to see what kind of floats and stuff are in it. And we're probably gonna run some kind of a spacer to give the air a little bit more room to come down the backside before it runs into the Venturi area. Don't have to do that. And again, I'd be lying if I said I knew anything about what I'm doing. But, you know, just watching videos and doing a little bit of research, we're going to run the vent tubes and stuff out. But like I say, we're going to run a spacer. We'll see how this, if we end up going with this, we'll have to buy some parts, but they'll be transferred over. I'm not a huge fan because it's got straight leg boosters. It'd be better if it had down legs. You know, just whatever. It's not actually a race plate. This is a 600 double pumper, and the base plate is specific to these, so you can't change the main body or do anything with it. So, and the big thing is the fact that the air bleeds. They're not removable, so it's something that you have to seal up and then use wire to get the sizes that you want. And, you know, of course, the choke horn, it's not the greatest thing in the world, but I don't know. So we're still kind of in the, see if we can make it work kind of a thing. So let me get the bowls off real quick, just so we can take a look. We got, to be honest, I don't know if this is plastic, if this is a hollow plastic, or if it's the nitrofill. And then we got brass in the back. So the brass has got to go no matter what. I mean, if we're gonna run it with boost, because it'll crush the float. Still undecided as to what we'll do. This carb, for all intents and purposes, I was going to use this carb on the van. Just go carburetor, put this on the van with a stock distributor. Somebody had sent me an MSD5, which will work fine for what we want to do. And then we'll just put an electric pump on it and like put a cell in it. Boom, we're good to go. So we'll see. So, but once you start modifying it, once you start drilling, drilling into it, then, you know, at that point, you're in it to win it. So we'll see. All right, we'll be back. We're gonna call that one a wrap. I wanna thank Jason for the hat that he sent. It's awesome. I wanna thank Race Parts Solutions again for the stuff that they sent. Every little bit helps. Every little bit is something else, things that I don't have to buy, which help move the project forward. We're gonna have to make a decision on the carburetor. We're gonna have to buy some stuff to do the blow through thing. There's, like I say, a bunch of videos out there, and I've watched a few of them now to kind of get a feel for what we're trying to do. We're gonna be gasoline. We don't really have access to E85, not super whatever, so we're gonna start with gasoline. We're not trying to make any crazy power. We're just trying to get it running. Just get it running and drive it and see kind of what we think and see how we like it. See if everything kind of works a little bit. And from that point, then we'll go a little bit, you know, dig into it a little bit more as far as, you know, making it happen. So again, the Lincoln's always been a side project for me, not like a main channel thing, because strictly from views, and if you're calling it business sense, it doesn't do well. So, but I like it. And I don't know, maybe it being twin turbo, it'll start doing better. I don't know. It doesn't really matter, but still, we got other cars we need to be working on. But you know how it is with motivation. So anyway, normally at this stage, I would go through the thanks for commenting and all that kind of stuff. But I have a special treat for you Club Big Boost guys. I'll just let the man himself close this one out. See you next time.
"2024's Big Tony's year." Ooh, 2023, get out of here. 2024 is the year of Big Tony. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support Big Tony. I certainly appreciate it. But especially, thanks for watching. Now we need that money!
I'm gonna have a hard time doing this. I'm crying.
We're not even a third of the way through the video. All right, back to filming. 2024 is Big Tony's year.
Yeah.
Why do I sound Louisiana now? 2024. Okay. I swear I'm gonna be dancing, his pants gonna fall off.
Oh.
I'm not dancing yet. I need to get some shit.
Please don't kick your legs.
Okay, all I need is about 30 seconds of dancing, and we'll be done. Don't worry about the table. The table's good. We've done this before.
Okay.
Big Tony. I feel like a white guy dancing around. So I gotta get my. There's gonna be music playing.
Okay, because is that what it usually
Noises
does?
don't matter.
Okay.
There's gonna be music playing over. I kill all the sound.
Okay.
So it's just gonna be music. And
Well,
be
stop laughing.
I'm trying to. I can edit it out.